first most important thing when we are learning Carnatic vocal music is listening to the Shruti. As you can hear now, let us all sing sa, pa, sa together first. Sa. Whenever you sing, it's very important for you to listen to the Shruti box or tambura and follow the pitch that you hear there. The first raga that we'd like to start with is the scale of 𝗁𝗵𝗁. 𝗁𝗵𝗁 corresponds to the Western major scale and also to Rag Bilawal in Hindustani music. The scale of 𝗁𝗵𝗁 sounds like this. That is the scale of 𝗁𝗵𝗁. So when we sing the notes sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ni and sa again. Each of these notes has a name. Let's learn those names now. Sa, 𝗁𝗵𝗁, ri, ऋषभा, ga, गान्धारा, ma, madhyama, pa, panchama, da, दैवता, ni, nishada, sa, षड्जा. So the names of the notes again are sa, षड्जा, ri, ऋषभा, ga, gandhara, ma, madhyama, pa, panchama, da, दैवता, ni, nishada. Did you know that each of these notes is also associated with an animal? It is believed that the animal that creates a sound that sounds like each of these notes. The animals for the notes are sa, peacock, ri, bull, ga, goat, ma, heron, pa, cuckoo, da, horse, ni, elephant. That's pretty interesting. Yes. The next thing is each note is associated with a particular god or a Swara Devata. The gods are for sa, Brahma, ri, Agni, ga, Shiva, ma, Vishnu, pa, Narada, the Lord Ganesha, ni, Surya. So each note when we sing, it has a name, it has a god attached to it and an animal.